everyone, welcome to the first episode of Echo Eats. By popular demand, we've gotten a lot of requests for our crispy chicken recipe.
So we're here today to show you how to make it.
So let's welcome Chef Daniel.
And Chef Belen.
So here are the ingredients for the chicken part of the recipe. We have French's onion, chicken bouillon, eggs, salt and pepper, Montreal seasoning, all-purpose flour, and of course, chicken.
And for our famous Echo Chipotle Sauce, here are the ingredients. Sriracha, salt and pepper, chipotle peppers, mayonnaise, and fresh lemon.
All right, let's get started. So Daniel, Belen, what do we do first here?
We're gonna
Pound the chicken.
pound the chicken.
Nice and thin.
And then the chicken in its flour.
And in the flour is mixed in the chicken base, the salt, the pepper, and the Montreal seasoning.
And then over to the egg. A little egg wash.
It's just plain eggs.
And then
The most important step is next. You have to dip it in the crunchy French's onions. Make sure it's nice and coated. Make it extra crispy.
And we're ready to cook. Now make sure your oil is nice and hot. Good, nice sizzle. Ooh, now it's time for the flip. Wait for it to be nice and brown. Oh. One last step, into the oven, 350 for 15 minutes.
And now on to the sauce.
So we're going to blend the chilies. You could purchase this blended already, but we're going to blend it here.
So we're going to add 2 cups of mayo. And we're going to put in a half can of the Chipotle chili.
6 ounces.
1 fresh squeezed lemon. A couple sprinkles of fresh salt and pepper. And 1 tablespoon of sriracha. Mix it up. For sure, after you've been tempted with this delicious meal, you want the recipe. So look at the description and you'll find the recipe there. Manja.